Hello friend, welcome to your channel How to Know. In this video, I'm going to tell about the new financial product launched on the Gate.io, which is dual currency product. Okay, in this video, I'll explain completely about the dual currency and how you can buy and what is the risk in the dual currency. I will explain in detail. So be with me at the end of the video. First of all, before starting the video, please subscribe channel if you are new and like this video. If any suggestion, then comment. If you want to be a part of the Gate.io, just a link is given in the description section from where you can easily sign up on the Gate.io and get participate in multiple events are going on the Gate.io, and you can earn much more money from this platform. So let's start the video. As you can see in the headlines, like a new financial product launches at Gate.io, dual currency product BTC and ETH section, 2 to 19 days holding. Okay, let's start. Dual currency product on the Gate.io finance now include BTC USDT and Ethereum USDT dual financial product. In the BTC section, the new product will have 2 to 19 days holding with pledge reference prices ranging from 40,000 to 46,000 BTC or USDT. It will be final settlement currency at maturity of principal and earning. Simply, you have to hold 2 to 19 days of a sum of the amount of these two currency, or you can say a dual currency for a limited time of the period, 2 to 9 days, and you will get a final settlement currency at the maturity. Okay, same for the ETH. New product will have to 2 to 19 days with place reference prices ranging from the 2,900 to 3,600 ETH or USDT will be final settlement currency at maturity for the principal and earnings. So if you want to know more about the dual currency, you can subscribe also the Telegram channel. Link is mentioned in the description section as well. You can subscribe directly, or you can visit. You can check directly from that link. Okay, I would like to inform about one more thing. Sign up link is also given over there from where you can get 10% less from each of every trade and 40% referral bonus from point. Okay, on the side. Click the following link to get more dual currency product. If you want to buy dual currency, so just you have to click on this link. This will negotiate you to this page where you can buy any dual currencies. Okay, here the list is shown, and just you have to click on the purchase. Okay, so first of all you need to log in over here, then after you can purchase. So sign up on the Gate.io by given link in the description section, and you can purchase this dual currency. So I will make a video on the purchase of the dual currency. Let's start further for the information about the dual currencies. Okay, one more information is added over here that Gate.io Android app has supported dual currency product. Okay, you can check it out from your Android application also. So let's see the charting about the dual currency. Like for the partial dual currency product information, you can see here BTC section invest BTC. Okay, BTC section invest in USDT. There is both types of the currency where you can invest. So you can see in USDT section 24 into 7.74 percentage return in 9 to 15 days. There is a holding period is also given for the 5 days. If you are holding 5 days, then you will get return on this dual cryptocurrency for 24.74 percentage. Okay, remaining share till date is 72 shares. Maturity date of this share is 21 January 2022. Okay, same, there's lots of given here where the maturity date is also given, remaining share detail also given here. It will be updated time to time. You can match by the link given in the description section. You just have to click over there and you will get all information. There is a note also given here. Let's see what is it. First note is financial information should be based on the actual online content. Second is the annualized rate of return changes in the real time with the market. Please check the actual buy transaction rate of return. Risk warning also given here. Here, the risk warning also said that dual currency financial product is a floating income, non-principal protected wealth management product, and final settlement will be determined by the settlement price and linked price. Therefore, the risk mainly lies in the high volatile of the market price. Users are advised to invest carefully after understanding the risk. Generally speaking, the shorter the settlement date of maturity, lower the annualized return. In addition, if kind of the linked price is higher, the annualized price return is relatively lower. You can choose different product according to your risk and risk appetite. So, in simple and short term, I would like to say this dual currency is for those users who are able to accept any loss or who are able to invest for a long time. Okay, we who can understand the risk and who is available to invest in dual currency for a long time, they can get money, they can earn money. Remember one thing, you can lose money also because the market is very volatile of the cryptocurrency. So before investing in the cryptocurrency or dual currency, be careful about the risk. Read the risk, manage risk, and practice your risk appetite. Okay, what is the dual currency product? Let's see. Dual currency product is a non-guarantee wealth management product. Okay, it is a non-guarantee wealth management product with floating income involving two currencies. Two currencies are involved in each other and named it dual currency. The investor may buy the dual currency product with any currency specified in the contracts. Okay, the final settlement currency is determined by the settlement price of the two currencies at the maturity. Date of the reference price stipulated in contract. The rate of return offered by dual currency product is fixed. It means if you are investing in the dual currency, like you can see here in the snap, it is showing that 12.58% return will be given after a period of 12 days, and its maturity time is also given here. It will be mature on 28th of January 2022, and remaining share to buy is available 198 share. Progress is around 1% is already bought, and remaining are being by the users. So you can also buy. If you want to read more about the cryptocurrency, just you have to click here get.io cryptopedia. What is the dual currency product? I will mention this link also in the description section where you can easily read it out completely. So let's see a overview what is saying. What is the dual currency? Like a dual currency product is a floating income non-principal protected wealth, as I already told you. It put simply like the same investment product with the dual income models. Okay, regardless of any up and downs. The settlement currency at the maturity will be affected by the place price of the settlement price. Dual currency products are suitable for those users who prefer medium risk or long term investment as I already told in the initials and in starting the video, that dual currency is for those user who is understanding the risk, and long who is able to invest for the long time of the period. So this dual currency for users who can invest for long term. After you purchase the product on the Gate.io dual currency, the fund will be automatically transferred from your spot account to dual currency account. There are multiple accounts already there on the Gate.io. So, in general trading account, we called it spot account. If you want to buy dual currency, it will automatically transfer on the dual currency account, and many much more account is given over here. Financial account, I will show it that in next video. Dual product, dual currency product running model. What is model? Currency. Let's see what the currency include. The investment currency and settlement currency. Investment currency refer to the selected a currency according to product. Okay. Same, let's see pledge reference price. The pledge reference price is a benchmark price that will be compared with the price of the pledge currency on the expiration date to determine the currency and quantity of the principal and return. For example, the BTC zone is pledged to be BTC USDT price. The link reference price varies from product to product. You can choose the product that suit your need based on your expectation and of the makers. Expiration. What is expiration? The date when investment product ends. The product will settle at 16 hour. If you are investing and the settlement date, on the settlement date, it will be settled on the at the time 16 hours. Okay. What is ARP, annualized return rate, APR? The annualized yield will change in real time with the market. Okay, and it can vary time to time.